and he just wrote here again, and this what I wrote. It's just confirm this what I do, and here maybe it's no needed changes in this bleachbit. Maybe this is work for someone who is working about safety on Linux, or maybe not only on Linux, but this is only one program what I have on system what is needed, this exhaust package, and on other distributions it's working a little bit different, and it's because this is not needed on Nix, and if someone is have more than one program to run on our system, your system, so they just change this exhaust, and this is exhaust default, or I don't know, and this is named on Arch xorg exhaust or something, and I just finished this discussion. You damage my computer, and if I want to back to state of the system before installing bleachbit, I have to do format. But for what? If after next installation I will install no bleachbit again, but maybe this time I just, without checking what the fuck, then I don't run anytime this what I had run now. If I want to clean this system using bleachbit, I have to use two commands. First is bl blech, and after this blech clean, and this is not giving any permanent changes in system, but this is cleaning, and after this is cleaning system, and after restart computer we have not installed these packages what are needed to run bleachbit, and this is a good choice. And this is something, if you want, just check what is this, what is in this and 13 gigabytes is cleaned. Where the fuck you find 13 gigabytes? So now I remove from my hard disk 23 gigabytes. It's a lot. If I here write exit, now this software is just turn it off. And what else? One thing I want to do. What the fuck I want to do? I've forgotten. I hope now this shader compiling start, and I have this turn it on for looking on this system temperature CPU. And now I have 84, for example. Delay is set to 25 seconds if these fans are going to fast speed. So after 25 seconds is next step down. Not then if temperature is lower, so fan is working slower. And I hope it will work fine. Just wait little bit higher temperature. What I wanted to do. For example, yesterday, because of this thinking about how to run TikTok studio on computer, I do some this tuning, customizing of Steam, and I have on YouTube video about this. We can link this symbolic link to this location on hard disk. This is default location of download in Steam. Because of course I have all games on the faster disks. This is right configuration on the NVMe disks, but I have right configuration on SSD, and just SATA disks, and we can link download folder temporary and downloading to other location, and later, because this is reading from one this disk and reading to second, this is working later faster than if we have read and wrote from the same disk. We just have to think how do it. For example, to install Nix, we have to think how do it too. It isn't very difficult, but we have to customize these files to install. This is my configuration Nix file, and default is of course shorter. We have to install first Nix to get this file, and if when you have file, then you can modify the settings and which settings you want in system, what you want in system. Here is, for example, what you want to remove. For example, to remove Samba from system. This Samba is installed, and we cannot remove Samba, but we can disable Samba permanently.